You have to feel these. Hey guys, it's Rilyn Dinyae, and today I am so excited for this YouTube video because my mom got some surprise slime for me to review, so I'm like so excited to open this. So without further ado, let's get started. She put it in the bag, so I don't know what it is. What? Oh my god, that's so cool. I'm so excited. Okay, so here we have a paper that says, we provide 3 pre-made flavors in each box filled with fun add-ons like glitter, fishbowl beads, foam beads, and mixing tools. And then it just has what to do for storing your slime, like how to fix your slime, how to make slime, and all that stuff. Here's the inside of the box. This is a monthly subscription, so you will get a different box every month with cool new slimes and slime supplies. So first I'm going to show the extras. They included a small cat squishy, which is actually really nice. A little container of purple glitter, a Footies lemon lime thingy candy. It's a little gummy ice cream. 3 mixing spoons, and some slime activator. Okay, so this first slime is called One in a Melon. It looks like it would be really sticky. I'm gonna activate this quick. Okay, so the only reason this needs so much activator is because in shipping, slime gets sticky, and we've had this in for like a week, so it's totally normal. It's nothing to do with the slime. It just happens. Okay, so this slime is a red slime with little black beads and blue glitters. It smells just like fresh watermelon. It smells amazing. Like, I swear to God, it smells like you could eat it. It's super thick and clicky. And it's really, really nice. Okay, so moving on to the next slime. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's called Enchanted Rabbit. Okay, so I'm gonna activate this quick, and then I will show you the slime. Okay, so this slime is a glossy mint green slime with little stars, rainbow stars in it. I don't know what this smells like, but it smells so good. It's super, super, super thick and glossy. Okay, so moving on to the next slime. This slime is called Cake Pop Slime. This is so pretty. I'm so excited to open this. Okay, so this slime is gorgeous. It's a light, like yellowy gold color with gold sparkles, rainbow beads, and it came with this really cute little cupcake charm. It's super, 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 super stretchy, and it's really soft and cookie. Okay, so out of the 3 slimes, my favorite is probably this one. I love them all so much. It's so hard to choose because this one is really cool because the texture is so nice. This one is amazing. Like, the scent is crazy. It smells so good. And this one is so pretty. So they're all amazing. And if I had the chance, and if my mom lets me, I'm totally getting these again well, the subscription box again. They included some really cute extras that I think are very nice. They were pretty sticky, but I think it's because they've been in my house for a while. I would rate this box a 10 out of 10, and I definitely recommend that you buy from www.slimeboxclub.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and comment down below if you're going to check out these slimes and which one was your favorite. I love you guys so much. Bye!